Hello everyone, welcome back to another session by K21 Academy. Today our expert trainer will be talking about backup in App Service. So let's get into the video.
This is a backup feature, guys. So for this particular feature, one should have a storage account ready, right? So currently there is no backup, right? It will help you to keep a backup. Now, guys, and the basis of the app service plan, whether you will be keeping a backup 10 times on daily basis, 20 times, 30 times, that totally depends on the app service. So your standard app service plan allows you to take the backup 10 times on daily basis over here. So for that, you need to create a storage account. Just give a name, my test for new STA. You can mention that what kind of the storage account that you will be using. We're going to touch upon the storage account part. I'm just creating this for the sake of this particular backup option at the moment. And the moment this option is available, you just need to create a container. Now that container is a storage container, a blob container, you can say. In a layman, guys, it's just a folder which you will be choosing in order to take this backup over here. So once this will be done, you will be able to select, you will be able to take a backup of this particular app service as well. It's not because over here we don't have the environment access, right? So it is not a backup of the environment, your OS, right? Or the runtime. It's just the backup of that particular application that you'll be bringing on top of it. Because that database will be there in the third tier, you have to back up the database separately. Here you can give a name, let's say my backup. This is the option that we have given over here. I'm giving the option and I will be able to select this particular service, right? And after selecting this particular service, it will give you the option that how often you would like to schedule this particular backup. Let's say on daily basis, I want this backup to take a backup every 4 hours over here, right? And you can mention how you would like to retain this every 30 days or every 2 days or every 1 day I would like to retain. This option is only for testing, guys, because my database anyways is not going to be less than 10 GB, right? So if you want to include your database backup, if the size will be less than 10 GB. So anyways, guys, this database backup you have to deal with separately over here. Once you will click on save, it will go ahead and take the backup option over here. You can see, guys, this backup is going on, right? So if you like to take a backup again, it will give you again the option, guys. And you will be able to select this, guys. You will be able to restore as well on the basis of that, right? So you can do the restoration as well. How? So the moment you will click on restore, it will give you the choice of the files over here. You can select your file, select your storage, where exactly you have kept your file over here. Yeah. Select your required file that you would like to take a backup from. And you just need to click on OK and it will start the restore. Yeah.
So guys, I hope you really liked our session, and if you have any kinds of doubts, you can please comment down below and our team will reach out to you. And do not forget to give us a thumbs up. And if you are really intrigued by the kind of terms used and you want to learn more about it, then we have something really special for you. We have this free class on Microsoft Azure Solutions Architect certification, that is AZ-305. And if you want to learn more about it, then you just have to log on to k21academy.com /Azure SA02. In this session, in this free class, you'll be learning about why you should be learning Azure Cloud, your paths to learn Azure Solution Architect Expert Certification. You'll be getting to know the difference between AZ-303, AZ-304, AZ-305, and a lot many insightful things. So if you want to do this, then all you have to do is just log on to k21academy.com /Azure SA02. After that, you'll be seeing this kind of interface. Just click on book your free seat now and select your availability according to the event date mentioned. Add your name, add your phone number, add your email, and every detail will be converged to you via our mail. And after that, just proceed ahead. On the extreme right, you'll be seeing this kind of link. So just copy this link, save it to your calendars, and I will see you in the next class. Till then, take care and keep hustling.